Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this video today. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that I spend a lot of time and effort on how my Instagram feed looks. So I thought that today I would do a step-by-step process on how I create flat lays on Instagram. This is something that a lot of brands and companies use in order to promote products or in order to capture a certain action or mood, and it's something that I use quite frequently on my Instagram. Before we get started with the video, I would just like to point out that the key to flat lays is natural light. So don't set up your flat lay right beside a lamp or in a room that only has overhead lighting. You have to have natural light. So go find a window, go outside if you have to, but natural light is really the key to this whole entire process. Other than that, it is a lot of just up to your personal preference. I know a lot of people like to fill up every square inch of the frame with items and objects of all sorts. And I don't personally like that as much. I kind of like to let the frame breathe a little bit, so I just put in a few objects here and there, build around it a little bit, and then we're all good to go. The more you do it, the more you'll find out what you like and don't like, and you can go from there. But this is just how I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
I feel bold and I just might come through. Can't hold myself back, I'm unfolding myself over you. I am feeling so dizzy, it's not from the smoke in the room. Losing all sense, it must be from all that you do. No more hesitation, no more hesitation. Sun up on the sky, warming up your life, keeping on the ride. Just one question, oh can I see you soon? The only chase you'll have to do is run up to your room. Coming down on you like the sunset on the sea. You're oh so very cool and I love to feel your breeze. Just one question, when's the next time you are free? I feel more beautiful with your arms around me. Can't believe it. No more hesitation, no more hesitation, no more hesitation, no more hesitation, no more hesitation.
Alrighty guys, I hope you liked that video. I will insert some of the flat lays here so you can see how they turned out. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you really liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for hanging with me, and I will see you later. Bye!